basically one of my specialties here is I tell the seller that go ahead, pack everything that you need, and then leave the rest for me. And so basically they run out of time, they run out of money, and they run out of energy are the three things that you run out of. So let's go in and actually talk about what we can do to get this home ready for sale. Obviously, we've got a lot of personal property things just kind of laying around. All this items were kind of pulled out from the house inside the garage. So getting this place spick and span. So my job is to come in and to remove all this personal stuff and blow this whole yard out and be able to get it to be show ready. All right, here we are inside this house. You can see that they have left. They got all their personal belongings out. But you can see down here in the window tracks and stuff that it needs a deep clean. This was I would call it a pet infested downstairs room. So we are ripping the carpets out here and getting this to look and smell much better. You can see that the carpets are pretty soiled, so we are going to get those cleaned. So I've got my cleaning people coming in and to do a deep clean on this property, and they'll be here tomorrow. So I want to thank them. And so that's something that I do as a service is get and take care of the cleaning after you leave.